Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to connect IC markets to MetaTrader 5. If you want to trade on MetaTraders but you also want your IC markets onto it, then I'll show you the easiest way to connect these two platforms. So first you have to make sure you have created your account on IC Markets Global and as well as on MetaTrader 5 you have accounts for both. Now what you have to do is that you first have to simply go to your IC Markets Global. You can access it through its website. Just simply search for IC Markets Global. You will get the website. Then from the left side you can see we have different options. So from all these options you have to select this first option, which is the accounts. Once you click onto it, first you get the option for the demo account and for the other accounts. So here you can choose anyone, but I'm going with demo. You can go with any option, and within that we have three options. You have to choose the Mt5, which is the short version for MetaTrader 5. Then you have to click onto this option, open new demo account. Now what you have to do here is that here we have some of the options. You can choose as per your choice, otherwise you can just simply leave them as they are and simply create your account. Simply click onto this option and after that account will be created. You just have to simply do a quick refresh and then account will appear on the screen. Once you get it, we just have to simply get this ID, the password and the server. Now what you have to do now, you have to simply open your MetaTrader 5. Once you open the MetaTrader 5, you will be onto its homepage. From there you have to click on to this option and click on open an account. And now in the companies you have to search for IC markets that we are using on our web browser. Now once you search for it, you will get actually a lot of different ones, but we have to choose a specific one. So for that reason I have checked it on the website and now I'm adding the same thing. You have to do the same. Then you will get different sort of companies, but you have to go with the IC Markets Ltd. Simply select it. Once you have selected it, now you have to simply go with this last option, which is the existing account, because we have just created on the IC Markets website. So we're just going to use that one up there. Now what you have to do is that here you have to add the details. Those details are listed on the website. Here you can see that we created. First you have to simply make sure you're using the right server, you're using the right email address, or you can see the username and also the password. Just simply select the server that is listed on the website in our account. And after that, just simply copy and paste the ID as well as the password that we have just created. Once you do it, just simply paste that up there and after that simply create. So once you do it, you can see now the IC markets are connected to MT5. So from there you can start trading and get the trade from the IC markets as well. So if you're trying the web version and not the download one, then you may face some issues. Here on the web version, the issue is that you cannot select the company, which is the IC markets. You just have to simply go with a MetaTraders company. So as we are here to connect for to IC market to MT5, then we just have to use its download version, which is a desktop version. We cannot use its web version because it has some issue and it doesn't allow you to connect any other company than the MetaTrader 5. So for that reason, you don't have to use it on the browser. You just have to simply use it onto its desktop version. So for some reason, in case you cannot connect the IC markets to MT5, the reason could be your account is new. If your account is new and has been created for like less than 30 days, you cannot create it. You have to wait for like 30 days, then you can connect these two platforms. And if you have not using your account for a while, like maybe a month or maybe two, then you may have issues while connecting these two platforms. In that case, you just have to simply start using your account more often and then you will be able to do it. So that's it. This is how you can connect the IC markets to MT5. If you follow the instructions that have been given into this video, then you will be able to do it very easily. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, leave a comment if you have any queries. feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.